Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions, home at mobility316.com. And this morning, I'm doing a little short video of our 2015 Chevy short bus. Has a wheelchair accessibility. I'll get right to that. Has a Crusader conversion package. As far as this is just the shell out here. We have our doors out here. They'll open up. To operate these lifts, you have to have the ignition on. The emergency brake has to be set. And we flip the lift on right there. If those three things are not done, this lift will not work. We have the unfold button. It's a two-stage lift here. It's got your ADA compliant lighting there. So when it gets to this stage, you now hit the down button and you can pull this out and move it if you need to. But I was using it right here. Folds all the way down, 33.5-inch wide lift. You got 800-pound weight capacity. Handles on both sides, and you've got your safety belt as well. See, this folds down, load up your wheelchair. You can enter in. We've got room for 2 wheelchairs back here, no problems. Take your passenger up inside, get them loaded, and you're ready to go. Now inside these power flip doors here, very clean interior. I am a non-smoker. These are commercial buses. They do not allow smoking in them. This interior is in excellent condition. This vinyl, easy to clean. In case you do get any messes or spills on it. Has the handles here for people in the walkway. And as you can see back here, plenty of room for a couple wheelchairs. Does come with one upgraded set of Q strains. If you need additional tie downs, we can furnish those on your dime. You get your rear HVAC in here, it works great. Get your rear speakers and everything, get your emergency exits. Van's in very nice shape. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. So when you get everybody in, get everybody secure, we'll just put the lift back up, reverse the process. And you're ready for your next adventure. This is great for schools, nursing homes, hospitals, churches, anything you have, or even a large family needs a little extra room. This bus gives you that option. This lift has worked perfectly every time we use it. This is a broad ability lift. Make sure you shut off that lift there in order to save some battery. Shut it down and you're ready to roll. Quick walk around to this bus. It's got tinted windows in the rear. It's got new tires on it, so a little bit of history on this bus. We purchased it, unfortunately for us, good thing for you, it needed a new engine. We took it over to Chevy dealership. Chevy put the engine in. I'll show you the receipts inside. We also had the lift service and some other things done on the interlock system, about $2,700. So we have about $20,000 in receipts, and those two things racked up alone. I know they did some other service on this bus. We've got that listed in our ad. But overall, very nice, very clean. It's got the dual rear wheels. It's very well taken care of. Overall, looks pretty darn good. It's a nice, clean bus. Got your emergency exit door in the back. I show that open in our pictures. And you always hear us talk how we can save you $5 to $10 grand per van. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. Our competitors have 10, 20, 50 locations. Imagine all the overhead they have compared to us. That's how we save you so much money. It's simple economics. That's your VIN number right there. Make sure you always get a video of that VIN number. A lot of scammers on the internet, especially Facebook Marketplace. They're going to take my pictures. They're going to cut out that sign right there. They're going to post this bus on the internet for $10,000 or whatever. Try to get someone to pay a $1,000 deposit to hold it. They don't even have these buses. They can't collect the deposit to hold it because they don't have it. They're trying to scam you. So tell them you want a VIN number. My name is Jeremiah. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I've got this bus here in my possession. They could not make that video without that VIN number, without having the vehicle in their possession. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. You can see 3 owners on this vehicle, owned as a government vehicle, last owned in Salt, Rust-Free, Georgia. It does show a previous accident. I'm going to show that to you. It's not major. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a three owners government vehicle. Does show in 2022 damage to the right front, May 2022, so over 2 years ago. And it does show, like I mentioned in the Carfax, no frame damage. Airbags have never gone off. I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's been in a fender bender, had maybe need a bumper replaced or a fender painted. Not a big deal. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their ratings and reviews. 1,610 reviews on eBay. All of them positive feedback, 100%. I would say that's a good reputation. Sorry about that. Had a customer come in, but what we do with no matter who you do business with, make sure you get online, find them on Google, make sure they are a real company. You can see here we are. Make sure they have a handful of reviews too. See, we have 327 reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. You know, I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from the general public, where they buy from the low-end dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage, you know, major mechanical issues. So if you want to do 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the low-end dealers and the low-end and the general public. If you want 5-star vehicles with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. Just wanted to show you real quick, we had Donovan Truck Center install the engine in this vehicle June 14th, 2024. So it's still under the warranty for the, I believe, 3 or 36,000 mile. You can see the price tag on that, 15,500 and some change. Then we also had the lift serviced and also a whole bunch of other work done on the conversion itself, $2,700 as well. So if you're the buyer, you're welcome to have copies of these receipts. The engine is under warranty at any Chevy dealership in the country, so don't worry about that. Okay, back to the bus. We have the one key here. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. But along with the rest of the interior, it is super clean, very well taken care of. And just the layout from the driver's view up here, all that room you have back there. Get your emergency exit up top. When I go to start her up, fires right up. You can see all the dummy lights work. They all go out. There's no check engine lights on, none of that. 86,691 miles on it. Let's have the tow package. If you want to tow a boat, camper, you want to make this like a little RV that can also get your wheelchair in and out of, you got plenty of room to do that. Got your power door there as well. Have all your rear air controls up here. We tested all those. Everything works great. Let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, everything looks good, sounds good. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. There better not be. It's a brand new motor. As I crawl underneath, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, you know, from being up north. And no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, and it's got, you know, lower miles. 86,000 is pretty low for a 2015. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or flood. And folks, I see brand new vehicles at auction all the time that have flood damage, for example. The dealers will take on flood damage. They'll just take their vehicles to the auction, dump them off, make them someone else's problem. So my point is, if brand new vehicles can have flood damage, you better know what you're buying when you're getting a used vehicle. So no matter who you're doing business with, I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online? Thousands of reviews, so I know I'm buying from someone honest, reputable, and fair. Do they show me a free Carfax report, so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see no signs of an accident, no signs of a bent frame, no signs of a flood. Check out those tires as well. And also very, very important on these taller vehicles, the roof. You know how many of these we get and we inspect them and the roofs are just trash? Yeah, we'll send them right back to auction if that happens. But especially on these taller vehicles, a roof like this can cost $25,000, $30,000 to repair. If it's badly damaged with hail, a lot of people, you know, aren't used to driving a vehicle this high. They'll pull it into a parking lot and smash the roof. And if you can't see it and you don't realize it until after you had it, it can start leaking on you. It can cause major problems. But the sellers don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof, and you better make sure you get a good picture and video of it like I do as well. So when it comes to price and when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. What happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual? What happens if you buy a vehicle that won't pass inspection in your state because it has damage to the frame, VIN number issues, you know, and in all those cases and many more, if that happens, you just bought a vehicle you can't register, you bought a vehicle you can't drive. Congratulations on your 8,000 pound paperweight you just bought. So to avoid those problems and many more, be sure to do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Folks, you're not buying a brand new pair of cowboy boots off Amazon for 120 bucks. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that. I go the extra mile. Before I buy a vehicle, I demand the best Carfax. I will not settle for a cheap knockoff. You should not either demand a Carfax report. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation and reviews. Make sure you're dealing with an honest seller that's not a scammer. Put in your due diligence. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, the van comes with a warranty on the brand new engine we put in it. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And by the way, we got this visor coming in here in a couple days. I went ahead and did the video without the visor. We are going to replace that. It's going to be a nice, good visor on there. Okay, the final portion of the video. I like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this bus home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. And you'll see also that we does have the warranty for the engine as well. Pops up to 65 miles an hour, no problems. I got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. We do have long-term extended warranties that cover not only the vehicle but also the lift. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees. They've got tag fees. They've got freight. You name it, they have a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. And shipping on this big boy is going to cost some money. We throw that in at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, and none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Keep that in mind when you're out shopping. And what I'm going to do is give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp we're approaching up here, so you can see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, which is all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, now text message is the fastest way to get a hold of us. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. If you shoot us a text message, anyone on our staff can see it and respond ASAP. But if you do need to make a call, you're welcome to do so as well. And I challenge you to ask our competition how many of them are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the direct number to the owner's cell phone. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this little Chevy shuttle bus, whether you buy it or not. So absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We currently have financing 90 days, no payments through October. So take advantage of that today. And that little blinking that does on the screen is kind of how the camera picks it up. Sometimes it's not. I repeat, it's not doing that in real life. So just be aware of that. So take advantage of our 90 days, no payments. We can send an application to your phone or email. You can apply on our website at mobility316.com. Or if your computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us and I can explain how that works. And if you ever would like to come in to see our inventory, we do welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. Why do we require you make an appointment? Well, you want me to put 3 basic used car salesmen on the lot that know nothing about wheelchair accessible vehicles? They just want to put a round peg into a square hole so they can make their commission? Or do you want to do business with a mobility expert that's been doing this for 25 years? Okay, I think you got your answer why you need to make an appointment. We stay very busy. We're more than happy to spend some time with you. Spend 60 seconds, make an appointment with us. We'll get you taken care of. We'll get all the vehicles that you're interested in seeing out and ready to go. Help us save you and us both time. That's what it's all about. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. If you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of each vehicle, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out.